Hey guys, it's OJ Network here, and today we're going to do another double feature Blu-ray opening, and this Blu-ray is the final season of Sons of Anarchy from 2015. Here's the front, spine, no profile picture, nothing on the other spine, and the back. And this is what Bond Fanny's 2002 is not going to get at all. Also, this is the last time I do a multi-feature Blu-ray opening from Sons of Anarchy. After this, no more! So here's discs 1 and 2. And discs 3 and 4. First up, let's take a look at the opening to disc 1. The road to vengeance is paved in blood.
Find your own truth. It will lead you to the things you love. We are glass souls. We're only pushing. Do we say it's enough? No. We're still pushing. People will say that I was turned into a terrorist, taught to hate my country. I love my country.
What if I told you I don't think he did it? I don't think Brody knew the bomb was in his car. He's innocent.
I won't throw Carrie under the bus. She's unstable. But I'm on her side. I'll do anything.
What a day.
If that was me, I would have killed that man.
If you don't stand up to the boss, the wife, you're just gonna get washed away.
You okay there, Bill?
Wife made spaghetti for dinner. Seemed ashamed to barf it up.
Gambling problem, I heard.
You don't say. I heard drugs.
I heard he alleged slept with a 13.
For Pete's sake, Bob, don't spread rumors. No, it was gambling. I'm glad my husband's dead. I'm gonna sing at his funeral. La 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 la.
It's a bit strange, huh?
You think this could be like an organized crime thing?
Give me the money. Oh, I'm sorry. Squint in. I didn't do nothing. I just got home.
By purchasing this Blu-ray disc, you are supporting your local film industry. Thank you.
Right into this world, all alone. Gotta take your soul, you're on your own.
on Sons of Anarchy.
Word is Jackson's handing over the Irish Gods to August Morris. Makes a real problem for all of us.
We should have that business. This is our territory. We own it.
It's going to get bloody for a while. Jack showed his uncle 8 of his guys. It's going to be done yellow against black and white.
And that was the opening to disc 1. Next up, disc 2.
Right into this world, all alone. Gotta take your soul, you're on your own.
Previously on Sons of Anarchy.
I want my men, my guns, and my heroin. If that does not happen, I will turn Charming into a goddamn killing field.
APB went wide. Shit. We gotta get you out of here. Now.
I'm gonna call General.
Our guy's got a call about something black, so